Your arteries are highways that carry oxygen-rich blood throughout your body, and your life depends on them staying open and flexible. But every year, millions of people experience silent artery clogging without realizing it, until a major problem happens. In this video, you'll discover 7 early signs your arteries may be clogging, and how to naturally support healthier, cleaner blood flow. The earlier you notice these signs, the better your chances of preventing heart disease. The first warning sign is chest discomfort, often described as pressure, tightness, or a burning sensation. This happens because plaque buildup reduces blood flow to your heart. It may come and go, especially during stress or physical activity. Never ignore this sign. Even mild chest discomfort can be an early red flag. When your arteries begin to narrow, your heart struggles to pump blood effectively, and you may feel short of breath doing simple tasks like climbing stairs or walking quickly. If breathing suddenly feels harder than normal, it may be more than tiredness. It could be your body signaling restricted circulation. Clogged arteries don't just affect the heart, they also impact the blood flow to your legs. If you feel cramping, numbness, coldness, or weakness, especially when walking, this may be a sign of peripheral artery disease. Many people mistake this for aging, but it's often a circulation issue. If your arteries are clogged, your body isn't getting enough oxygen and nutrients. This leads to continuous tiredness, weakness, and lack of energy, even after sleeping well. When fatigue has no clear cause, it could be your circulation slowing down. In men, one of the earliest and most overlooked signs of clogged arteries is erectile dysfunction. The arteries supplying blood to the reproductive organs are small, so they get affected faster than larger ones. ED is often the body's first signal of a bigger cardiovascular issue. Poor circulation caused by narrowing arteries may make your hands and feet feel unusually cold. This happens because not enough warm, oxygen-rich blood is reaching your extremities. If coldness is persistent, it may be worth checking your heart and arteries. High blood pressure is one of the most common signs that your arteries are getting stiffer and narrower. Your heart has to work harder to push blood through. If your blood pressure stays high, even with rest, it may be a sign of developing arterial blockages. How to fix it naturally? Foods like garlic, ginger, turmeric, avocados, olive oil, berries, and leafy greens help reduce plaque, lower inflammation, and support healthier cholesterol levels. Aim to eat more whole, natural foods and reduce processed meals. Walking is one of the most powerful natural ways to improve blood flow, strengthen your heart, and reduce arterial stiffness. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Omega-3s found in salmon, sardines, chia seeds, walnuts, and high-quality fish oils help clear plaque and reduce inflammation. They also help keep blood vessels flexible and strong. Sugar, soda, pastries, and trans fats found in fried and packaged foods rapidly damage arteries. Reducing them lowers inflammation and helps your arteries heal naturally. Constant stress spikes blood pressure and damages artery walls over time. Deep breathing, quiet walks, journaling, and prayer or meditation can help protect your heart. Your arteries are your lifelines. Take care of them now so they take care of you later. If you noticed any of these signs, don't ignore them. Early action can prevent serious heart problems. Stay healthy, and thanks for watching.